Hey everyone, it's me, Allegra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my top 5 makeup gifts for all of the beauty enthusiasts out there, whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a special occasion. These gifts are sure to impress, and with the holidays here, I figured this is the perfect time to reveal my gift guide. So first up, we have must-have eyeshadow palettes. A good eyeshadow palette is a staple in any makeup lover's collection. Look for one that offers a versatile range of shades, both matte and shimmers, so they can create endless eye-catching eyeshadow looks. ColourPop has some great affordable eyeshadow palettes available, and one of my favorites is the 1111 palette. It includes stunning neutral shades as well as gorgeous shimmers in the 1111 palette, so I think anybody would love it. If you're looking for a more colorful eyeshadow palette for the makeup lover in your life, Juvia's Place always has some gorgeous, vibrant shades in their palettes. And Morphe palettes also make a great option as well, and a very affordable option. But if you are able to splurge, you can never go wrong with a Natasha Denona palette. And while these are very pricey, they do have smaller palettes available that offer the same quality and pigmented shadows for a much more affordable price. The new eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona is called I Need a Nude, and that would make such a great gift if you're able to splurge this holiday season. But regardless of the price range, an eyeshadow palette makes an amazing gift for that makeup lover in your life. Next up, a high quality makeup brush set. Nothing really can enhance the look of your makeup like a good set of eyeshadow brush and face brush sets. So you want to look for a set with a variety of different brushes for blending, contouring, and precise application. Amazon does have some amazing brush sets though that are super high quality and super affordable if you're looking for a more affordable option. And you can also head to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and they also have amazing makeup brush sets as well. I know I recently purchased a 20-piece eye and face makeup brush set at TJ Maxx, and it's just such great quality, and it also came with a makeup brush holder for less than $20. So many of these brush sets will come with something beautiful to hold the brushes in, a makeup brush holder that you can put on their vanity, and it just looks so gorgeous. So Amazon definitely has great options, and I'll have some of my favorites linked down below in the description box and in the comments. You can also find brush sets at Ulta and Sephora as well. So moving on to our next makeup gift are mini versions of high-end products. We all have those high-end products on our wish list, but they can be quite expensive. So a great alternative is to look for mini versions of these luxurious products. Not only are they more affordable, but they also give you the chance to try out a product before committing to the full size. Sephora, for example, offers mini sizes of popular high-end brands like Fenty, Too Faced, and Benefit Cosmetics. You can also find these minis at Ulta as well. So next up is the gift of a good lipstick set. A good lipstick can transform any look, so why settle for just one shade? Choose a set that includes a variety of shades from bold reds to subtle nudes, so they can experiment with different looks for any occasion. Although if you know that your makeup lover loves nudes, why not go for a nude set? Estee Lauder has some beautiful lipstick sets available this holiday season that also come with a gift with purchase many times of a beautiful gift. And Estee Lauder lipsticks are so hydrating, they're so long lasting, they're highly pigmented, and they feel so good and comfy on your lips. MAC Cosmetics also has so many beautiful lipstick sets available for the holiday season and all year long. And Laura Mercier also generally has a beautiful lip gloss set available for the holidays. And of course, you can find so many beautiful lip gloss sets at Ulta and Sephora as well as Macy's, and they will have so many great options for you to choose from. You can always gift a gift card to any of these retailers, and any makeup lover would be thrilled to receive a gift card from Ulta, Sephora, or Macy's. So it's just another great option for the makeup lover in your life, especially if you know that they love foundation or concealer, or are wanting a foundation and concealer. A gift card is a great way to go. This way they can get the perfect match for themselves, and so a gift card will help them to be able to purchase their favorite foundation or concealer. So last but not least, we have a beauty subscription box as a makeup gift. This is the gift that keeps on giving, and they will receive a curated selection of beauty products delivered to their doorstep every month. It's like unwrapping a present all year round. Anyone would be thrilled to receive a subscription box to, say, Ipsy, where you can get a beautiful box each month for only $13. And another box that they offer on the Ipsy site is from BoxyCharm, where you'll get a 5 full-size products for $28 a month. So that is an amazing gift. If you can splurge, you will just have the makeup lover in your life thrilled and over the moon with happiness at receiving a makeup box every month for them to open. It's just so amazing. It's so much fun. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing my own Ipsy box in just a few moments, and I'm super excited to see what this month's box holds for us. They also were good enough to send me a makeup gift in this box as well, so I'm going to be unboxing it in just a few moments, and you can see for yourself exactly how amazing these makeup subscription boxes are, especially from Ipsy, and how they would make such a great gift for the makeup loving loved one in your life. So beauties, here is my Ipsy box and actually my BoxyCharm for this month. As an Ipsy creator, they do send me both each month, and so I'm going to be unboxing now both of the boxes with you. So actually this is a great time to see which box would be right for you if you can afford either one. I know the Ipsy is more affordable, so I'm going to be showing you that today, and the BoxyCharm is just a little more pricey, but the products are full size and they are amazing. So the theme for this month, every month does have a theme, and this month is themed the glamorous show on earth. So I can't wait to see what's in here. And again, they did also send me 2 gifts as well for the holiday season. So first we'll open the glam bag. So this is the Ipsy glam bag where you get 5 deluxe size samples for only, I believe it's $13 a month. So this would make an amazing gift. I have never been disappointed. I've been unboxing my Ipsys and receiving Ipsys for quite a few years. I was originally a subscriber on my own before I became a creator. And so I was joined up and I was gladly paying my $13 a month because it is phenomenal, truly. And again, would make such a great gift. So here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we got this month. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? Every month your Ipsy box will come with a beautiful bag, so definitely you can use these bags as a clutch and they will look gorgeous with your outfit, or of course you can use them as a makeup bag, but either way they're just so beautiful. So inside is my 5 deluxe size samples, and these samples are very long lasting. I mean, look at this. Oh my goodness, wow. They're calling this a sample. And again, if you were to gift this, they would be thrilled. So, okay, this is our first one that I've just taken out, or one of our first deluxe size samples, but look how big it is. It's from Mana Kadar, and it is a diamond dust. So I'm not exactly sure what this is. Let me go ahead and open it and find out. So it's an eyeshadow pigment, but it comes in a roller ball. So it's very easy to kind of take it with you, because I know other pigments that I've had, they just get all over the place, but this one comes in a roller. So I just took some out here on my wrist. Then you can go ahead and take your finger or take your brush. I'm just going to take some off of my wrist and just put it on my face. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. Actually, you could probably put, I've never tried this before, so that's another great thing about Ipsy. It's so much fun trying different products. But let's see, can you just, oh yeah, you can just take it right from the rollerball onto your face. Wow, look at how gorgeous that is. And so easy to use. It is a powder formulation, so it's not wet. You could put it right on your eyes. You put it, if even I have, with my hooded eyes, it will fit right on my little lids because I have a very small lid space. But look at that. This is, you guys, truly, this is amazing. And I would never have thought of purchasing this. So Ipsy curates these products for us, finds us the best products so that we can try them and have them in our lives, because I haven't even seen this online or anything. This is absolutely amazing. Again, this is Mana Kadar. I'll have it linked down below because this is something I really never want to be without. It's so easy to put the pigment and the shimmers on your face. So that was just one product in here. And you guys, would you consider that a sample? I wouldn't. This was huge. So now here is Slick Luster Lip Gloss from Ace Beauty. So let's see what this is. Let me go ahead and put this on. This looks like a beautiful shade. This feels so good. Feels hydrating. It feels so good on my lips, but it does have a beautiful tone to it. So what do you beauties think? Have you tried that lip gloss from Ace Beauty? It's absolutely beautiful. So then we have even more. That was only 2 out of the 5 gifts that you get every month in your Ipsy subscription. So this is here a detangler from Silk E. Beautiful, nice size, beautiful packaging. And then here is, let's see, what is this? Is this an eyeliner? This is a Shades and Shaw. Oh, they given from Shades and Shaw before, and I absolutely love the products that I've tried from Shades of Shaw. Or is it Shades and Shaw? So this one is their gel eyeliner in a beautiful, it looks like a cobalt blue shade. So gorgeous, so perfect for the holiday season. So I cannot wait to wear that. I love to put a blue eyeliner on. Actually, you can put it all over your lids and blend them out when they're gel formulation like this, and it just makes a beautiful wash on your eyes. Or you could do a more neutral eye and pop some blue just on the, what, you know, on your lower lashes, just for a pop of color. So there's so many options. I'll be back and we'll do a look with this. So that was everything in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. Again, this is about $13 a month. So you cannot go wrong gifting this holiday season, or gift it to yourself, because it's so much fun and it's amazing. I mean, the quality, the products that you get, it's truly so much fun and just a great value as well. And here, beauties, we have our boxy charm. So this box is a little bit more money, but if you can splurge, it is beyond well worth it. The value that you receive in this box is incredible, and it's only about $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, the kind of products that you would find at Sephora or Ulta. These are amazing products, you know, nothing that you wouldn't just want so much. And you wind up just saving so much money with this box, because even now the cleanser that I got last month, it retails for about $40 at Ulta and Sephora. The Kapari Gel Cleanser, oh, I love that so much. So here is the booklet that they sent, and membership perks. You can build your own box, power picks, there's personalized products, and epic deals. So again, this month is You're the Main Attraction is the theme. So I can't wait to see what's inside. So wow, beauties, they have sent an Il Makiage Gold Boss eyeshadow palette. This is an eye quad. Now, have you ever tried Il Makiage makeup? It is unbelievable. I've spent so much money on Il Makiage cosmetics. They're incredible. And this is an eyeshadow quad. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? This is unreal. And these are so creamy. They're so pigmented. These are actually, the shadows I think are actually more creamy and more pigmented than Natasha Denona. The only thing is, with a Natasha Denona palette, you're getting all of those shades, which is really nice. But in terms of pigmentation and creaminess and things of that nature, the Il Makiage eyeshadows are unbelievable. They truly are. And then also in my box is this beautiful brush set from MOTD Cosmetics, Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. So, oh, they have this beautiful emerald handle. See what an amazing value this is, what an amazing gift. You're just getting everything that I just spoke about in one box for $28, but you do have to join for the year, but you can cancel anytime. Wow, look at, I hope you can see how beautiful these are. The green, maybe over here you can see better. The green handles, this emerald tone. Wow. And I've tried these brushes before. Oh, they're so good. They are so good, you guys. Wow. They're very firm, synthetic hair. So they are cruelty free, and oh my goodness, they feel like a dream on your skin, and just the perfect shape for a multitude of eyeshadow looks. So, oh, this is an amazing box. So I'm glad that you're seeing this one if this is your first time on my channel and you're seeing what Ipsy and BoxyCharm can offer you. You can see for yourself how amazing they are. So let's keep it going, beauties. There's also a Nip Fab product in here, a skincare. So you do many times get skincare and makeup, which what beauty lover wouldn't love that? And this is a retinol fix blemish treatment gel, 10%. So this sounds amazing from Nip Fab. Love Nip Fab products. And then here is oh, I love their products, Pure Lease Kale and Vitamin C Exfoliator. Can't wait to try this. And it says it detoxifies and tightens pores. And I still have from one of my last boxes, the Pumpkin Mask Exfoliating Scrub from Pure Lease, and I love it. So I can't wait to try this one. And then here is, Iconic London Enrich and Elevate Mascara. Cannot wait to try that. And then here is my Creator Incubator gift. So this is a gift that they sent me for the holidays. So thank you so much to Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I love being a part of the Ipsy and BoxyCharm family. So I'm so grateful. Look at this beautiful gift that they sent me though for the holidays. So I'm not exactly sure what it is. Is it a makeup face? Oh, it's socks. I thought maybe it was some kind of head, you know, spa headband. But no, it's socks. I love socks, and these are so soft, and pink is my favorite. And it does have the tag, says Ipsy Incubator, Creator Incubator. So thank you so much, Ipsy and BoxyCharm. And then there is just one more thing in here. So let's see what it is. It looks like a little bag. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. Is it a crossbody bag? Wow. I think it is. Wow. So, oh, look at it, guys. It's so cute. It's the perfect size to either hold your water bottle or your water bottle and your phone. I think you could fit your water bottle and your phone in here. And you could just probably put this on you like this. Yes. How cute is that? So thank you so much to Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and I will have everything linked down below where you can join up and you can pick a BoxyCharm or Ipsy up for yourself for a gift yourself or gift a loved one. So I'll have everything linked down below. And there you have it, the top 5 makeup gifts for the beauty enthusiast in your life. Whether it's a special occasion or just because, these gifts are sure to make any beauty lover's day. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty content. Until next time, see you soon, beauties.